Managing email settings on Wcart. First, log into your Wcart admin panel. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the sidebar on the left. Click on the Settings icon, then select General Settings. On the Website Settings page, you'll see a section dedicated to email settings. Wcart supports multiple providers like NodeMailer and Postmark. To set up NodeMailer, click the Edit icon under the Action column. You'll need to enter your sender email and name. Make sure to input your correct email host, port, credentials, and click Save Changes. If you prefer using Postmark, simply select it and enter your Postmark server key. Once you've filled in the details, click Save Changes. Now, let's ensure your emails are actually reaching your customers. Head back to the sidebar and click on Analytics, then select Email Logs. This page gives you a clear overview of every email sent. If you need to investigate a specific message, click the View icon. This will open a pop-up showing the exact content of the mail and the delivery history. Finally, if you need this data for external reporting, click the Export button at the top right. Select your preferred format, either CSV or Excel, and your download will begin instantly. Thank you for watching.